Jackhammers are basically crickets combined with dark hammers. It's basically a cricket without your left hand, right? It's actually a pretty big deal because that left hand provides a lot of support. So a good way to practice this is just like dark hammers, right? So instead of switching to your left, you're just going to go hop with your feet on the floor. Just hop and land on your right. If you can't do this, you shouldn't attempt jackhammers. And if you can't do crickets, you shouldn't attempt jackhammers, right? Patience. I'll show you. You can see it on the floor. Just this. Right? You might make sounds when you stab yourself. Right? That's fine. It's normal. You might fart too. It's basically putting all that pressure on your body. It might do stuff to you. Good thing, just like those swipes, is to alternate, right? So one cricket, or maybe two, however you feel comfortable, and then let go with your left hand and hop just with your right? So maybe 2 crickets, let go, hop once, 2 crickets, hop once, right? So I'll show you guys. Again, jackhammers is pretty easy with momentum, right? Because that momentum will make it less of an impact on your wrist. So I'll show you two crickets, then jackhammer, and then repeat that. So here we go. 2 crickets, 1, 2, 1, 2. Fast is always better, it looks cooler, less pressure on your wrist. Just really make sure when you hop, you reset, right? So you're gonna hop from this, reset to here. Reset, reset, reset. That's the main thing. And that's it. That's jackhammers.
Hey, I hope you're enjoying this course so far. If you aren't getting the moves, or it's not coming out the way you want it to be, don't worry. When learning anything new, there's always a progress. With more time and effort and the right technique, you'll get it down. If you aren't enjoying this course, or it's not what you thought it to be, please feel free to let us know. Shoot us a message. If you are enjoying the course, shoot us a message anyways. Or leave a review here at Udemy. Whether it's positive or negative, I'll appreciate it. Any kind of feedback. I love to read your comments and hear what you have to say. This course was designed to help you learn this dance, and I want to do everything I can to implement any changes necessary. Again, I know there are other breaking tutorials out there, so thank you for choosing us.